What's up guys, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel if you're new. Oh wait, what? That did not make any sense. What's up guys, it's Rochelle. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing something I never thought I would do. I never thought I would go back in time to this specific era in my life. For multiple reasons, it was just treacherous. I don't even know how else to describe it. I'm going to be recreating how I did my makeup in high school. I don't know why I got this bright idea, but like something came over me and I was like, you know what? I can look back at it and laugh, right? So before we get started with this video, I did the most important step of my makeup routine, which is my skincare. I already said this in multiple videos, but I've been loving my Teamy Detox Mask. Basically, it's just a green tea clay mask, but it's different from the typical clay masks because it smells amazing and it doesn't dry my skin out. I have combo skin. So my skin does get super oily, but it can also get dried out really easily, and like I flake in certain areas, like on my chin and certain other parts of my face, I'll start flaking. I'm just so blessed with like the best skin, you know? This doesn't make my skin feel dry, flaky, or like itchy, anything like that. So I really do enjoy this mask. The way I used this mask today was I actually used it as a spot treatment. Rather than putting it all over my face, I just put it on certain problem areas, and I honestly love the way it works as both. It could work as a full face mask or just as spot treatment, like I said. But I noticed a difference after the first time of using this mask. Like, it's been a day one since day one, if that makes any sense. When you let this dry, you can see black dots from where all the dirt is getting sucked out, which I really like. I know that's gross, but like once I see the dirt getting sucked out, I'm like, damn, this shit's working, you know? I'm a visual person. Like, I have to see it to believe it. I like to put this also as spot treatment on my neck if I see small zits. You can literally put this on your back, on your neck, like anywhere you have problem areas. It's like a very diverse clay mask. Another thing I just got, because in my last video I let you guys know that I've been struggling with like acne, scarring, and stuff like that just from my great skin. Another thing I saw on the Teamy website, which I was super eager to try out, was their Repair Tea Infused Oil. This has chamomile in it. Let me zoom that in. Do you see that? It has like flowers in it. I read a bunch of reviews on this. I looked up the ingredients on this, and it's really good for redness, inflammation, scarring, like all of that. Normally products irritate my skin so bad that my whole face is just red. Like I look like I just got sunburned. But this didn't do that, even after one time. So I'm curious to see how well this works long term. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll let you know what happens. I just like putting 3 or 4 drops in my hand and patting it into my face. I don't like to rub, I don't like to irritate my skin, so I just gently pat it into my face, and it actually balances out my oily skin, so it doesn't make my skin overly oily, like I said. The last main reason why I picked up this oil is because I have adult eczema. I get patches of really dry skin and it itches and it just hurts. It's super uncomfortable. I've been applying this to my eczema, and like I said, I haven't been using it for that long, but from what I have used, I really do notice the difference. Yeah, that was another main reason why I picked this up, because I saw that it could help with eczema and stuff like that, so I was really intrigued. If you're interested in trying out either of these products, the Repair Oil or the Detox Mask, then you can use the code HYDRATE for money off of your order. They're having big discounts right now, so I would go check out on their website. But anyways, without further ado, let's just jump right in. First things first. When I was in high school, honestly, I didn't really try with makeup. I didn't really know what I was doing, basically, moral of the story. Once I figured out my like set makeup routine, I didn't stray. Like, this was the only makeup I did for years. First thing I used to do when I was in high school was I would take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, not foundation, concealer. By the way, I still love this concealer. I think it's a really good drugstore dupe. I used to use it as a foundation. Oh, by the way, I didn't use a primer because I didn't believe in primers. So I just would take this, oh my god, and I would just, you know, go in under my eyes, anywhere I had zits, you know, just like put it everywhere. Maybe on my nose a little bit. I used to do it there too, you know, can't miss that. Yeah, that's it. Just like that. We wouldn't even put any on the neck either, so just leave it like that. Then I would take a brush. My favorite brushes to use in high school were e.l.f. brushes. It was like the e.l.f. tapered brush that kind of looked like this shape, but it was solid black. That was my favorite brush to use. I don't have that brush anymore, so I'm just gonna use a random one. But any brush works, honestly. I didn't really care. I would just blend it all in like a foundation. And you know, it could have been worse, honestly, but I hate it. Make sure you get under your eye too, because this is our concealer as well as our foundation. This is all we're doing. Anyways, on other news, while I'm blending this out, has anyone been keeping up with the whole James Charles drama? I was at Coffee Bean, and these 2 guys were making our drinks, and I hear one of them go, Bro, have you seen the whole James Charles and that other beauty YouTuber drama? And I literally wanted to chime in and be like, yeah, Tati. But I didn't. Zach was like, please don't do that right now. Like, we don't need to have a full debate in Coffee Bean. I don't know why I just put that over my eye because I never did that. I would literally leave all the redness I have on top of my eyes and all the veins. I'd just leave those out. They're cute, you know? So yeah, that's it. That's my face makeup. I used to use a powder from Maybelline. I would always use one that was like 10 shades too light for my skin tone. So I'm gonna use this translucent one. Ooh, did you see all that fly off? So I'm gonna take this on a brush. We're just gonna apply this all over our face. I even remember my first makeup video I ever posted on YouTube. If you want me to recreate that, I totally will. I think that'd be really fun. But anyways, I remember someone commented and they were like, is she rubbing concealer on her whole face? And I was like, is that not what you're supposed to do? Like, I'm really confused. So I don't remember what bronzer or blush I used to use, but I'm guessing it was like an e.l.f. brand one, or like, it was definitely drugstore. I didn't know what high-end makeup was for the longest time until I actually started watching videos and stuff. So I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. drugstore bronzer palette. I'm gonna use this brush. I didn't have multiple brushes. I had one brush. So I don't even know why I'm using two different ones for my face and everything else because I used this same brush. I typically took a bronzer that was too dark for my pale skin because I thought that did something good. We're just gonna put it here. Just rub that in. I'm like blending it too much just because I want to blend, but that's not realistic. So we're just gonna leave it like that. Lord have mercy. Honestly, I kind of like these brushes. Luxie tapered highlight. Well, that's not what I'm using it for, Luxie, but I like this brush. So yeah, we bronzed our face. I want to say this is sophomore year makeup because by junior year, I think I was doing wing liner and that changed my life for the better. So I'm gonna use this CoverGirl True Blend blush. Oh yeah. That looks great. Yeah, let's just put it everywhere. Wow, I look like a clown. By this point in the video, you're probably like, wait, is she gonna do her eyebrows? No. Oh no, I did not do my eyebrows. Okay, so once my blush is on, I look like I got a sunburn. Okay, so anyways, once you got your sunburn, I'm going to add some highlight. I got my handy dandy e.l.f. highlighter. The same brush we use for our blush, we're going to use for our highlight. Okay. I'm pretty sure I didn't know the proper places to put highlight. So I probably just put it like all over my face, if I'm being honest. Now it's time for our eyes. Okay, this is the part that gets a little bit tricky. I used to love pencil liners, like love pencil liners. And my go-to colors were brown and gold. I couldn't find the exact one I used because the one I used was perfect. It was 2-in-1. It had brown on one side, gold on the other side. You just use your brown and switch it and use your gold, but I couldn't find it. So I'm going to be using the next best thing that I found. And they're these You're kidding. Oh my god, you're kidding. These are brow pencils. How did I not read that? Alright, well screw it. I'm using brow pencils for my eyes. What I would do is I would put brown on the outer corner and then I'd bring the gold on the inner edge and then I thought I was a shit, so I'm just kidding. I really didn't. I was the biggest nerd. So yeah, I literally would just... Okay, ow, that hurts. Jeez. Yup. Bringing back all these memories. How badly did my makeup? The brown I used to use was a little bit darker. Anyways, I'm gonna take the lighter color now and put that on my inner corner. That literally did nothing. Okay. Honestly, I'm looking at this like, dang, why did my mom let me leave the house like this? I don't know. I'm gonna actually call her after this video. I'll be like, Mom, we gotta talk. Oh my gosh, how could I forget? I was obsessed with glitter. So I actually have the original glitter I used to use. I had two that I really liked. This one was kind of darker and it's by NYX. It's the Roll-On Shimmer. I would put this on my inner corners of my eyes. Just like that. Oh my god. Let's add a little bit more to this one. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about. I was looking for the mascara that I used to use and I couldn't find it. It was a purple tube of mascara. And the wand itself was super skinny and I thought I like discovered the mascara jackpot because I was like, oh my gosh, like this will get every individual eyelash, it won't clump. And for a while that was my go-to mascara and I did really like it. Like I couldn't find it. I don't remember what it was called. I just remember the color and I was looking for the color and I couldn't find it. So I'm just gonna be using my Better Than Sex mascara. But I would have never touched this because it couldn't have even competed with the mascara that I used to use, or so I thought. I used to also put mascara on top of my eyelashes. So not only did I coat them one way, but I coated them the other way, which made me look a little bit crazy, I guess, because I just went in with mascara. Mascara was my favorite part of my makeup. I didn't know how to stop putting on mascara. Like, I would keep going until my eyelashes were clumped and they were just one big eyelash. Honestly though, the mascara definitely did pull it all together. I mean, it still looks like my inner corners are wet. I would also always get black on top of my eyelid. So we use our handy dandy finger and some spit. Awesome. At the time, it took me like 10 minutes to get ready in the morning, so this was a good, quick, easy makeup look for me. But yeah, that's it. This is how I did my makeup in high school. It has honestly changed dramatically, and it kind of amazes me how much I've changed up my routine without even realizing it. But yeah, this is what I did every single day. Not gonna lie, I kind of am liking the brown liner. Well, the brow pencil. But like, if I got the actual one, I feel like I might like that. Who knows? Maybe I'll go back to my roots and I'll start doing my makeup very similar to this. But anyways, if you liked this video, if you enjoyed watching me do my makeup like I did in high school, then give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Mwah. Bye.